Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Unity Interface Training course. In this lesson, we're going to explore the project window, one of the most important parts of the Unity editor. The project window is the place where all the files and assets of your project are stored. Think of it as the library of your entire game. Every script, texture, model, material, audio file, or prefab you create or import appears here. Inside the project window, everything is stored inside the Assets folder. This is the main folder of your project. You can organize your project by creating new folders, such as scripts, materials, prefabs, audio, or scenes. Keeping things organized will help you a lot as your project grows. At the top right corner of the project window, you'll see a small menu icon, usually displayed as 3 dots. When you click on it, you can switch between 2 different layout modes. One column layout. This mode shows your assets in a simple, single-list viewpoint 2-column layout. This mode splits the view into 2 parts. On the left, you see your folders, and on the right, you see the contents of the selected folder. Below the toolbar, inside the project window, there is also a small slider at the bottom of the asset area. This slider changes the size of the icons. If you drag it to the right, the icons become larger and the view looks more like a grid. If you drag it all the way to the left, the icons shrink and the view turns into a compact list view. This allows you to switch between a detailed list view or a more visual grid view, depending on what you prefer. You can also use the search bar at the top of the project window to quickly find any asset in your project. Just type the name of what you're looking for, and Unity will filter the results. Finally, whenever you click on an asset inside the project window, its properties and import settings appear in the inspector window on the right. And that's the project window. In the next lesson, we're going to take a look at the hierarchy window, where all the objects inside your current scene are displayed.